Click on Free Download. I'm not a robot. Wait. Create download link. Click here to download. Send to desktop. Go to Settings. About phone. Build number. You can search it if you didn't find it. Then go to the developer options. Enable USB debugging. And there you go. This is the wired method. The wireless method. Go to your computer settings. Advanced System Settings. Environment Variables. New. Name it Path. Go the app location and copy the directory. Paste it in the value section. OK. Now open CMD. Paste the first command. Plug in your phone. Don't worry, we will plug it out later. The two devices must be in the same Wi-Fi. Paste the second command. Replace the start with the phone IP. To get the IP, go to Settings, About Phone, Status, IP address, and you will find it there. If you didn't find it, search for it. Now replace the start with the IP. Open the app. And now you can see and control your phone. You can plug it out and still control it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.